something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away. This could be everything. You know I gotta say, I think we're onto something good. I think we're onto something good. There's just something about the way you're looking at me now. It's like we found a way to fly and we're not coming down. I love this feeling, I know you feel it. I think we're onto something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away, this could be everything. You know I gotta say, I think we're onto something good. 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 Don't let it get away, this could be everything. You know I gotta say, I think we're onto something good. I think we're onto something good.
One day we will recline, sit right back and rewind, watching from the upside. We'll see life in hindsight, wonder what we will find. Looking back on this drive, I think we will see why we had all the hard times. We're just passing through the night. Everything's gonna be alright. All of these hard times, aren't they really just road signs telling me keep driving? We're just passing through the night. All of these hard times, aren't they really just green lights telling me keep driving? We're just passing through the night. Everywhere that we go, we hold on to this hope. Can't wait to watch it unfold. It's better than we could know. We'll see what we drove through, fading in the rear view, and everything we once knew finally be new. All of these hard times, aren't they really just road signs telling me keep driving? You're just passing through the night. All of these hard times, aren't they really just green lights telling me keep driving? We're just passing through the night. Yeah, everything will be alright. All of these hard times, aren't they really just road signs telling me keep driving? All of these hard times, aren't they really just green lights telling me keep driving? All of these hard times, aren't they really just road signs telling me keep driving? You're just passing through the night. All of these hard times, aren't they really just green lights telling me keep driving? We're just passing through the night. Yeah, everything will be alright.
for you. From my heart I'm calling, hear me say I do. You're right.